Kuwait's new era Palace of Justice megastructure. Everybody knows that Kuwait is a country in Western Asia. It is situated on the northern edge of eastern Arabia at the tip of the Persian Gulf, bordering Iraq to the north and Saudi Arabia to the south. The origin of the name of this country is interesting and few people know about it. Kuwait is derived from an Arabic word meaning fort. Until the 18th century, Kuwait hardly had any settlements, but the area was visited by nomads who would come and go. However, then drought struck the desert area that the nomads depended on for their survival, and they started settling down near the coast of the Persian Gulf in what is today Kuwait. They fortified settlements in the area from where the name Kuwait was derived. The country has been developing and building its economy for centuries, mostly thanks to the fact that it has the 6th largest oil reserves in the world and the 2nd largest oil field in the world. Because of that, the Kuwaiti Dinar is the world's highest valued currency. Over time, imposing buildings were built, so Kuwait has the largest opera house in the Middle East. Another building on the list of amazing projects of this state is the new Palace of Justice. Do you want to know more about this palace? Then you are in the right place. Before we continue the video, please take subscribe and press the bell. It will only take a second of your time and it means a lot to us. Let's see what the Palace of Justice Kuwait will get. Designed to be a symbol of fairness and integrity for Kuwait, the building will take its place in a prime central city location. The realization of the project is in line with the state of Kuwait's ongoing efforts to modernize, upgrade, and refresh its existing judicial system. In a wider sense, the redevelopment of the Palace of Justice plays into the strategic goals set out in Kuwait's National Development Plan, NDP, and reinstated by the broader New Kuwait Vision 2035. Led by the vision of His Highness the Emir of Kuwait, Sheikh Sabah Al-Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Sabah, this strategic development plan seeks to transform Kuwait into a financial trade hub both regionally and internationally, and attract a higher number of investors to the market. Once construction is complete, there will be an engineering miracle. The new building will have an area of 356,189 square meters and 141 courtrooms and office spaces over 25 floors, 3 basements plus 22 floors and 1 technical. In addition, both conventional and automated car parking will provide 2,741 parking spaces. The design of the building is what makes it unique, and in addition, there are other characteristics of the building that support its dual functionality as a space for citizens and the government. While the iconic exterior of the building features a solid plaza and floating, cantilevered wings, intended to symbolize the scales of justice. Connecting the 2 wings to form the heart of the building, an eye-catching golden geode atrium forms a focal point for the palace's visitors. This central concourse merges with the plaza to become the building entrance, a place designed for the voices of the people to be heard. Designed to specifically meet the requirements of the building's varied users, the outer facade features a full glass frontage, made up of windows of varying sizes based on the particular function of the room. An emphasis on providing ample amounts of natural light is sustained throughout the building's design, as well as a unifying modular bronze detail. Looking out from the building, occupants will have a view of the outdoor courtyard, which provides a space for relaxation and community making. Since the building is located near the sea and is fully exposed to the prevailing northwesterly winds, which are likely to cause unfavorable wind effects, such as the flow through the square and the flow from the western facade. To fully understand the wind conditions in and around the building, a detailed study of the wind environment was also carried out in the wind tunnel using the high hot wire measurement technique. Based on the results of various hardscapes, including screens and canopies, were recommended to mitigate adverse wind conditions and provide a pleasant environment for all visitors to the new Palace of Justice. The designers thought of all the details, just to make the building safe for all the people who are there. That's very nice, right? Even though there is no information about the interior of this place, we tried to present you at least its exterior as best as possible. We hope that we succeeded, and that you enjoyed it. So far, everything has gone according to plan. There have been no delays or postponements of the project, so we think that the project will be completed soon, and Kuwait will get a new Palace of Justice. Here at the very end of the video, what do you think about this project? There's a comment section, so write your opinion there. We will be glad to read them. Press like and share the video. Once again, we remind you to take a second time and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.